Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. Let's talk about Bonk, give you guys the overall analysis on the price of Bonk. If you guys are enjoying these updates, you guys know at this point what to do. Smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, but now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of Bonk today, 26.37, and you're seeing a little bit of a lag. If you did watch the Pepe update, you guys know exactly what's happening. If not, do watch this video and I will kind of explain as to what really is going on. So this is the second day in a row. Obviously we did start off a brand new week, but let's keep our fingers crossed because we are seeing green 2 days in a row. As far as Bitcoin price is concerned, we're still not out of the woods as of now, but we'll definitely take that. Looking at the price of Bonk, though, it's currently sitting at 26.31, as I mentioned earlier, still about 4 zeros in front of the price, down about 1.6% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 4.4% in Bitcoin comparative. Bitcoin is outpacing majority of the market right now. The dominance index actually has gone back up, which is causing some of the coins to actually lag. But let's face it, Bonk is one of the top performers over the past few days. So, we need to keep that factor in mind. A lot of people tend to forget this, but you do not want to be forgetting this right now. So, looking at the market cap, about $1.74 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is sitting at 464.9 million. In the grand scheme of things, not much has changed compared to yesterday, but let's talk about what we're looking at as far as its price is concerned. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking across the board right now, you are seeing, like I said, a lot of lag, believe it or not, for the overall market. But you are seeing a Bonk right now, whereas it's up 4.8% over the past 7 days. And again, this is a little inaccurate. But let's take a look at what's happening on the closer time scale for the price of Bonk. But as of now, Bonk is the largest meme coin, for the Solana blockchain. So that is absolutely massive. I know a lot of people in the Bonk community are very, very excited about this, and you can see this for yourself. It actually has claimed itself as the biggest meme coin on the Solana blockchain. But dog with hat is still very, very close. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening. So dominance actually got up 55.1%. Again, shouldn't really be a surprise to you guys because Bitcoin has seen a significant bounce, currently sitting at $59,243, below that key resistance, which is obviously 60K, but we'll definitely take that. Obviously, things are looking great, but we still need to wait for that confirmation, which I have spoken to you guys about before, we really start getting excited. So in your case, if you are making some gains, if you were picking up the bloodbath when, pretty much no one was paying attention to the crypto space, uncertainty was quite high, you do want to have very, very strict stop losses in place so you do not get left behind. But let's talk about Bonk, because even though it's lagging right now, things are not looking as bad as you might think. Actually, things are looking amazing for Bonk rather than looking bad. So if you're looking at it right now, pretty much where we were yesterday, that's exactly where Bonk is currently sitting at right now. But look where we're currently finding a little bit of a hard time breaking out of, and that level exactly is around the 26.8, so pretty much the 27 zone. Again, a lot of resistance at this point, but as I've said to you guys before, once this resistance is able to clear up, which I think it will, if Bitcoin pushes back above 60K, do not be surprised for the price of Bonk, trying to get past this key resistance, potentially another retest at that key resistance. And in order for us to have that retest, that's a move of about 12.15%. And I think, if Bitcoin is able to clear 60K, this is a very, very realistic target to be aiming for the price of Bonk. And of course, if things are able to clear out of that, we know the significant moves, Bonk has had the times it actually broke out of there. Literally look at it yourself. Chart says it all. It's literally right in front of us. But you could see back in March, we broke out of this key resistance, massive spike. So actually, let's put this into perspective. We saw a move of about actually 62%, which was its all-time high. But every single time, what we're noticing is once the resistance breaks into support, you do see significant bounces. So 20% there, you saw 26% there, and once we broke out of it on May, you saw a 50% move towards the upside. So really crazy resistance. And of course, at the same time, there's been several different times where we actually have retested that key resistance, but seen massive rejections. But they announced a massive burn, which is huge, worth $2 million. That is not a small amount by any means, and of course that is getting a lot of excitement coming into the Bonk community. So these are some targets I'm looking out for. But if this target is able to go in on top of the market trend looks bullish, things can start looking really nice for Bonk in the short term, in my opinion. But do let me know down below what you guys personally think. Do you think, what I want to know from you guys in the comments down below is, do you think at the end of this cycle, whenever this cycle comes to an end, do you think Bonk will be the largest market cap meme coin on the Solana blockchain? If you think that, let me know in the comments down below. If you think it's going to be something else, do let me know in the comments down below as well. Really want to know what you guys personally think regarding that. But so far, so good. Loving what I'm seeing. Pay very close attention to Bitcoin. Have very sharp stop losses in place just in case. But without, going any further, that is it for today's update. I will see you guys tomorrow with another Bonk update. And yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.